Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. Alright, it's 5:45 in the morning, and guess who just woke me up? Oh, they're not gonna let me sleep in today. Alright, let's go and let the wake up alarm clock out. I thought Sunday morning I'd get to sleep into at least 7. But these guys wanted to make sure I'm up. Good morning, everybody. Okay, you guys woke me up. You went out or not? Well, you know what, They wake me up, and they don't want out right away. Well, it's Sunday morning, let's go do some work. Okay, while I was filling the water up and filling another bag of feed, they decided to come out. And they're cleaning up the grass. Cutting the lawn was actually a really good idea. They just are nibbling. The grass cuttings are gone. They've eaten almost everything. Pretty soon the neighbors will be able to hear me really good.